Good day to you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to God Said and Precious channel. Today, guys, I'm so happy. I'm super excited. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I know you guys will think I'm always happy, but today is extraordinary. Extraordinary happy. Do you know why? So I will share the testimony. And after I share the testimony to you guys, so you will still pick some words inside. So I have a lady friend. Let me just call her my godmother, because when I entered this Europe, she's the first person I rent one room after I leave camp. I rent one room for her hand. After that, I can't change city. I spent, let's say, if I'm not mistaken, I spent 5 years for house. We all come be sisters like that. So she had been in Europe. I bet forgetting Greek. She did in Europe since 97. Guys, I'm not calculator now. Picking of 97, you know the friend boy. I talk like, not be lying now. Picking of 97. You know the friend black boy now. You don't get boyfriend. Understand me? So this is my auntie. In the Europe. Since 97, she not get a comment. She never go Nigeria. You hear me? See life. Hence some people, they kill themselves because so go even they all call Europe 2009, 2008, 2007, I mean 2011, 2013, 2012. They not get a comment, they'll cause them and kill themselves. This my auntie day Europe 97. She applied for a document because she told me that time. So she applied for a document 2020. In 2000, she not succeed. She applied for 2002, she not succeed. 2004, she not succeed. Even 2012, when they share documents, that time I did with her. I don't carry one room for her hands that time. She not succeed. She applied for 2016, the same thing. 2018, the same thing. She not give up. She constantly apply last year, the one with they said last year. She did work. They use her sister paper till they work. Yeah. So you can't talk to the man, because the man when they work, they follow. If I'm not mistaken, then they go 10 years when they work, they follow the man. You go to the man, say, you don't get paper. So before, you not tell the man, just they use the paper. You guys understand. So they use the paper like that. So based on saying they don't go close to each other, they don't understand everything. The man don't know, I don't know the man for many years. You can't tell the man, say, you don't get paper. So the man will say, why did you not tell us since then? That was last year. The man could write contract for them. So you go carry the contract, go give a lawyer. Lawyer, go carry and go question, he can't go pay tax. Tax, they come, that is, he can't go pay the money. How much pay that time? Whether not 400 or be 500, if I'm not mistaken. You can't go pay for poster. As he pay and finish, so tax can they come. Tax can they come. If tax, for example, tax like 300 come every 2 months, your guy go pay 150. She go pay 150. And the money, according to I say, our guys they collect come for inside. Can they pay? He can't pay almost 6 months last year. You know, they don't comment, comment. You can't say they pay. If they pay, even when we enter this year, come and say a favor. I don't come and not come out to. I say me not worry. Say me they pray God go do one. He say I beg, no, I don't come and cause sister. Don't worry, I don't come and go come out. Don't worry. Guys. I just say buy food they eat day before yesterday. He just call me, say favor, guest. I say, I know you guys will surprised. Say favor, yes. My second name is Favor. When my name, let's say my nickname is Favor. My real name is Ellen. Understand? He said, Favor, guess what? I said, what now, sister? Tell me. I said, okay, sister, you don't get your document. He said, you been which? I tell no. I saw my husband, because my husband still know her. I saw my husband, you take jump up. Me don't jump up because they happy. She said, congratulations, because they are push for her. The reason why I call this matter come and say, her time I just still reach. that day women lawyers dey call and say Aguri, they give you 2 years. Stop. How time reach, brother, sister, if you still dey Europe for many years, you no see document. So far you dey work, you dey see food dey eat. Your time of document, when your time of document, you're surprised you dey sleep. Your pitka pronto, kia, go say solo, you advocate, Aguri, like person sojourn. Your time go just still reach, now your time reach. You hear me? If your time never reach, just get patient. Even though you know they work, they manage what people see they do, you understand? So far they just they push, keep on pushing. There is no harm in trial. Understand? You know, see the way they start pay document, buy document 5 times. 5 times now she buy documents. You know, so now the last one that she comes to say, you don't give up. If not because they start get everything for us. He now son go deport herself goes. She don't deport herself goes. She said she must get documents. And God he stand by it. Say she must get this document. He must get them, must get them. And God really answered. If you're passing the same shoe, my brother, my sister, you there Europe, you don't have money. You there Europe, you have not meet, you are not getting it the way you need it before. My dear, don't give up. When there is life, there is hope. People will not know when, and they talk and say, hey, a patient dog eat the smallest bone. Now lie. A patient dog eat the fattest bone. Now all those impatient people, and they say, I better go, a patient dog eat the smallest bone. That is impatient people. Basically, they get, when they get patient, now what they call patient dog eat the fattest bone. The reason why people use that word to make parable, they know the reason. You understand me? No disappointment is patient. Impatient, you will see disappointment, many disappointments. Understand? If you are trying to, for example, you try this thing, not work, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. God in heaven, one day, God will hold your lights. You will see everywhere will bright. Understand me? So, Johnny celebrates my auntie. It's my auntie because we are not mates. And maybe we are not from the same place, but she's Nigerian. I love her so much. Understand me? At least, person in Europe since 97, Anna. If I'm not mistaken, 97 is getting to 23 years or 24 years, if I'm not mistaken. Person will never see children. She got children. Her first son is 35 years. Understand me? Person will be say come for us. 24 years, I'll be 23 years. You never see her children. She still get that full confidence to be around. Understand? She not give up. She keep pushing. Before you know, December you go see her children. Yeah. People will celebrate her. Let me say you they think you can't die. They want to celebrate you. How you want to give the testimony? When people say patient worry, you go think. Maybe they tell the name of you they think, you go for moto. Or the name of you they think, you enter sleep, you no wake up. Children knows heart attack, they let person they sleep, you no go wake up. Sickness, too much of sickness. The person go sleep, you no go wake up. It's too much of sickness. So guys, what are we bodying ourselves for? What are we killing ourselves for? If God says it's not yet your time, no matter what He will do, it will not prosper. But if God says it's your time, if not crayfish, you put for head, buy your crayfish here, you go blow. People go say, no, but this crayfish is more than say, I make you blow like this, I make do like this. My mother, she dey say burger. The burger which she dey say, now she dey build us. When my mother still died, that was 97. When my mother died 97, they say 500,000 carry come out for her room. Before you mention my mother, before you mention in my village that time, before you mention 3 people for my mother age, they don't mention my mother. Stand. What did she say? Crayfish burger. God uses it to bless me. So I did this video to tell you, if you are doing something you are not succeeding, don't give up. Keep pushing. There is no harm in trying. As you watch this video, now that one just say my culture, as I give you this testimony, please keep pushing. God in heaven with GE. If you are seeing this video for your first time, you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't go without subscribe. Please subscribe to God Said That Precious. Please, and make sure you turn the notification bell for me, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to notify. For my whole time, subscribe. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Keep safe, and may God protect you all. In Jesus' name.